Hello friends, this is OS Tech OS, and today we have a gaming benchmark video of Honor 8X Max launched in China. So direct from China we are having the video. The video is having some PUBG gaming and Mobile Legends preview and the Antutu benchmark, so you can see in the video and just check what if you want to take this mobile to your home, or you just want to watch this video for having the fun. Please, if you are having the fun with our videos, so please subscribe our channel and make sure to like this video, and please watch full video to get all the things you want to know about the phone. The phone will give you the best of performance with the GPU turbo enabled in the 8X Max with the Honor and Huawei compromisations. You will get the best of your result with this phone. Thanks for watching our video. Please watch full video. We have more content in this video.